3 महीने फावटी GIDC misutilization of fund, which is a scam, as per the central government itself, which is the double engine sarkar of the same government. I had exposed, and I was questioned by some good general who said, what you are going to do next? Now the question we are trying to make is, I would like to bring first to your knowledge that 33 crores, 28 lakhs and so on. Minister of Industries, Chief Secretary, Principal Secretary Industries, GIDC Chairman, MD of the GIDC, Chief Account Officer, all involved in this to get these things approved. Now there is a scheme known as the ASID, Assistance to States for Infrastructure Development of Exports. This scheme has been discontinued from 2015 to 2016. A central government letter in 2015 was very clear. I will quote central government letter dated 1/5/2015. The funds allotted till the date of the discontinuation need to be utilized as per the guidelines. The guidelines are straightforward. That the assistance, that the nodal agency is known as the State Level Export Promotion Committee. This is the one who has to approve the project. Failure to comply, the central government letter, failure to comply with the terms and conditions mentioned in the sanction letter, which was sanctioned for a particular purpose. Okay? The whole part amount will have to be refunded with 10% interest. And therefore, it is our claim that this money was not as per the guidelines. And therefore, this government has played a fraud on central funds. Now, the IAS officer who is brought here, he was in Arunachal Pradesh. Reports suggest to us that his character, even FIR has been lodged against. But you can see the speed. He was brought on 14th December and by 16th January, everything is moved. Now you will say, what are we doing on this? Now, on 18th October, we have written letters to the Prime Minister, to the Home Minister of India, to the Minister of Commerce and Industry, to the Governor of Goa, Central Vigilance Commissioner, Chief Secretary of Goa, the Controller Auditor General of India. We have not received even a confirmation, surprisingly, till this date. And here we have placed all the facts with relevant documents to them. And it has been sent by email. I have also sent a reminder to confirm that you have received it. And further action, we will be deciding how to go about it. This is a scam. I challenge the government of Goa to say that this letter is written, which is written to the Chief Secretary, written to the Governor of Goa, that this is bogus and everything is in order. Goa immediately looks into this because we have written to the Chief Secretary, we have written to the Governor of Goa. Let the Governor of Goa, if he is custodian of the Constitution, let him say, there is no truth in this. We have written to him. I have sent a reminder about 3 days ago. To at least, surprisingly, the Prime Minister's office or the Home Minister's office normally at least addresses the confirm that they have received it. They are not, but I have sent a letter, we have not received any confirmation. Neither have you have taken any action. When we know nothing about it.
This money is being utilized for to purchase of new car?
No, this money was utilized to transfer to complete the role, part of it. 16 crores or something in Punjab National Bank. The remaining for Pelegat money.